So I got this in the mail the other day. I know mail calls are really popular on YouTube, so hey, why not join the bandwagon and do a mail call? So I'm just going to open it up. Hopefully they got the order right. You know, this place tends to mess up orders. I think they mess up orders because they don't hire enough staff and it's too cheap to do that. So they end up messing orders as a result. Okay. Hopefully they didn't screw it up. Get this thing on the layout. Another box for the collection. Alright, what do we got here? Alright, come on you. Well, I ordered one thing. They actually got it right. Hooray, hurrah. So, at least it looks that way anyways. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. You know, yeah, thanks for the fluff there. You know, this is Rapido trains or Otter Valley, but you know, customers pay for that crap. It only ends up in the garbage. You know, it's stupid, not needed. You know, you want to talk about green living, you know, it's that kind of garbage right there that's responsible for the climate. You know, I just don't get it. Don't need that crap. Think of the factory pumping out all those stickers and all the waste materials. Stupid. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah, that's good. We got a Go Transit late model number 557 DCC sound. So hopefully when I open this sucker up it's not in a million pieces, because I've heard things. I've heard Rapido's quality is kind of suffering. There are issues. Well, there are issues at every model train company, but you expect to get quality out of Rapido, especially for the price you pay. So a little worried about this. Let's see what happens. Also heard things about the decoder, so you're gonna have to get it in the layout. You're gonna have to test it out. See how things go. Okay, hopefully this thing is not in a million pieces. Come on, you. Oh, tape. You know, here we go. Tape where it's not needed. You know, more waste. Stupid. There we go. Did I get a good one? Oh, we got a piece that fell off. Shit. That's great. Wonder where that goes. Well, thought I had a good one. There's the model. Not too sure where that piece goes, though. It just kind of fell out of the package. Oh, I see where it goes. Crap. Can a little glue fix this, or do I have to contact the company? It goes on the rear end here, I believe. I'd have to look it up, but yeah. It looks to me like it goes there. I'm not too sure. I'll have to look at things. It's unfortunate. But I've heard that with this Rapido release that the quality has really gone down. Be wary. Yeah, I don't know about Rapido lately, you know. It's just unfortunate that that happened. So I have to find out where that piece goes. I suspect it goes up here. So if you can see that there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that piece would go up in there. But problem is, you know, what's it going to clip onto? I don't know here. Is it a pressure fit, or do I have to glue this thing? I'll have to look at their photos to see where this little piece goes. Maybe I can repair it my own, because I really don't want to deal with Otter Valley. It's a difficult place to deal with. And this will likely be my last order with Otter Valley. I think I'd rather pay more for better quality service. And likewise with Rapido. I mean, hey, I've skipped a number of your releases, and for good reason. Too much money, quality is starting to suffer, so it's called my wallet is closed for business. Anyways, this would be nice to get going around the layout. It's just a minor fix, and yeah, I look forward to having it running around. Alright, that's all. We'll talk to you later. Bye.